Namaste and hi, and welcome back to another one of our YouTube videos in which we are going to showcase to you our latest jewelry, which is baby jewelry. I have just got this from a wonderful supplier I found, and these all were specifically ordered and made. I wanted this stock to come by Diwali, but because it was so intricate and tough to make with lovely mina work and the designs, there is bunch of earrings that we are going to show to you and a lot of nazarias. As you all know, these kind of nazarias are in a lot of trend right now. Like this has the football design, and all of these are starting only from 2 grams. So all of these nazarias that you can see, the starting weight is around 2 grams, 2 to 4 grams maximum of them can be shown. And today I'm going to showcase to you each and single one of them one by one while talking about the design and how it is look. So let's go for the first one. As you can see, this first design is the yin and yang. And don't just see that, there is black beads on the side with gold wall with mina work on the side and this black and white mina work. So whenever you're buying anything like this, concentrate on the mina work. So sometimes there are some karigars that do the mina work not so well, but we are searching for a wonderful karigar who can do this kind of work from the last 3-4 years, and we found it at last. So every one of you have been asking us for baby jewelry. It is here at last. This yin and yang's weight is only 3 grams. So this is only 3 grams of gold, and these are all single pieces because we get a lot of requirement for single pieces. So you can buy this single piece. And let me show you the next design. This is the dolphin. Again, you can see the blue mina work and the different shades of blue that has been put. And this has more of chains, less of beads. Every design is different and variable. If you like any design, do take a screenshot of the design. The weight of this one is around 1.8 grams. So this is only around 1.8 grams. This one is for all the Pokemon lovers. You can see this is a Snorlax. The face and the smile and the eyes are closed with the blue face around with the ears and all. So if you want your baby to be sleeping like a Snorlax and let you sleep at night, this is the Nazarias you should make your baby wear. The weight of this one is only 2.14 grams. The weight of the black beads are obviously always reduced. The gloss weight is 2.32 grams. The net weight is only 2.14 grams. Anyone you like, you can pre-book. We are sending this video and putting it up on YouTube before the stock is even there. So none of these stock pictures are going to be on website because these are very fast moving items. So if you see this video, do screen grab. If you want to place an order, you can place an order. Or if you want the ready piece, you can. If it is ready, we'll give it to you. But if you place an order, it'll take 25 to 30 days at least for making it. If you are not in Hyderabad, the shipping will take another 3 to 4 days. And this one is the lovely lion. So if you're an animal lover, this one is only in 1.99 grams of gold. And most of the locks are with hook. So it's not easy to open. It's not a S hook or something. It's the lobster hook that is being used in almost every Nazaria. So it's easy to lock, easy to open. And this is a wonderful gift if you're looking to gift to one of the newborns where you want to give a gold, but giving a gold coin is a bit not thoughtful. Giving a bracelet or a Nazaria like this is very, very thoughtful. Okay. And as you all know, you have been waiting for baby jewelry from us. I've got thousands of comments and DMs asking, do you have baby jewelry stock? When can we get? So whenever we add a new particular stock, we try to find the best karigars and give you a quality of the design in the least possible weight, where whenever you give it to someone, they are mind blown and they think that you actually thought and got them a very good item. And as you all know, shipping is completely free. Anywhere in India, you can order these items. The shipping is completely free. It will take 3 to 4 days of shipping if you're in a metro city. If it is not a metro city, it might take a week or so on. But do pre-book these pieces. These pieces are not live in the store yet. The video will be released before the stock is at the store. This is directly fresh from my head office where we have not tagged it also. So let me go on and show you more designs. So this one is the crown design. So most of the designs will have the mina work because I really did love the mina work of the karigar. There is 5 beads on both the sides with the crown design. The weight of this is just 2 grams, exactly 2 grams. And check this one out. This is the choo-choo train. So there's an engine and 2 bogies. radiantly colorful. You have the red color, dark blue, pink, and this one does really look lovely. You can see it on the skin how it looks, and the weight of this one is a bit heavier because the locket is there. The weight is around 2.7 grams. Let me show you guys the next one. So this one has very less mina work, and this is the trishul which is there on the center, and the damru like gold on the sides has the white mina, which is again looks really good. The trishul has a stone, a single stone, and you guys can see even the single stone weight is mentioned on the tag, which is 0.100 carat, and the beads weight is also minus. The net weight of this one is 3.16 grams. The trishul is solid, you can see it from back and front, very well made. And the new generations over here who are the Doraemon fans, this is your Doraemon mina work locket over here, and you can see the eyes and the whiskers, everything is very well done. The weight of this is only 2.25 grams. If you like our designs, what I'm showing you today, please do comment, and if you want more or if you want a particular character that you didn't get today, please do comment and let us know how much you like this, and share this video with someone who like watching it. And this one is also just a bear figure in gold, and the eyes are in stone. The weight of this one is around 3 grams. And this one of my favorite designs for all the boys. Many people ask me, is the Nazarias worn by boys and girls? The Nazarias is for all the babies. So whether it's a girl or a boy, but if it is a girl who likes sports, football is still good. So this is a football Nazaria. The weight of this one is 2.15 grams net weight. And to know the price details as per the day's rate, you can just WhatsApp us on the number shown below. We will show you the details. And check this out. This is a bunny rabbit in purple mina. Even the weight of this one is around 2.1 grams. And there is another crown. As you know, in Hindi, you call your son Raja Beta. So this is like a very good one crown which is being put with the Nazaria. The weight of this one is only 2.4 grams. And the intricacy, you can see there is matte work, there is shining work, and on the side there is pearls and there is black beads. There is both in this one. Let's go to the next design, which is another bunny rabbit. The gold face and the ears are in white mina. The weight of this is only 2.05 grams. We had customers from Pune, Maharashtra and all over Andhra Pradesh asking for baby jewelry, and I feel a lot of kids get born in December and January. So if any one of you guys or your friends or relatives are expecting, the gift can be reserved earlier, because most of these stock gets sold out as it is made, and making them takes time always. This is the lovely penguin and the very huggable penguin. The weight of this is only 2.3 grams. Many babies, you know, they like these stuffed animals or toys whose teddy bears you give. So it can be matching with any other toy gifts your kid is getting. Nazaria. Center is a mother of pearl on which there is a painting of the Nazar symbol to avoid bad Nazar. And these ones is a bit more longer. This is not exactly for a baby. This is from like 7 years to 13 years of age. This makes as a gift. The weight of this one is around 3.2 grams. And there is one more bracelet with the Nazar. One side there is chain links, one side there is black beads. The weight of this is only 3.3 grams. And now these ones are for teenagers. There is just 3 designs for teenagers, and after that, just hold on to the video. I'm going to show you the tops designs just after that. So just there is 3 more bracelets for teenagers. After that, we'll show you many more earrings, baby tops, which you can give to cute baby girls. So check this design out. So this Nazaria mother of pearl surrounded by CZ stones, black beads, and then even the roll on the side is surrounded by CZ stones. So these all stones are in CZs. Center, the pearl is on mother of pearl. The weight of this one is only 4.17 grams. And then there is 3 more with charms. So there is one bracelet with the butterfly charms. The weight of this one is only 3.64 grams. And then there is another one with butterfly charms again. And there is two lines, so one line is just passing by, one line has all the charms. So if you like stacking up and layering, this is a very good ad. The weight of this is only 5.2 grams. Now check this one out. This is a ring and a chain link with another ring on the side. The link has a mina work also, and the small link has a CZ work. The weight of this is only 3.29 grams. There's also double chain line. Another one, simple yet elegant design, where it's mina work of different colors of blue and white with the chain kind of model. The weight of this bracelet is only 4.8 grams. You can see how elegant all of these looks on the hand. So the first design in the series of these baby earrings, you can see this is a lovely bird with a heart on his back with the blue mina work. The weight of this design is only 1.87 grams. Then let's move on to the next design, which is this cherry. You can see there is two cherries on each earring with the lovely pink mina work. The weight of this one is only 1.85 grams. And here one, when you come to our blue one, which is the symbol of evil eye, which is to remove away bad nazar. And this is the most popular one. This one is only for 1.7 grams. And let's see, for all you heart lovers, many people like to buy small hearts. And there is a thing about this thing can be worn as a baby earrings or also even as second tops for adults. The screws are with a Bombay screw, like this, what they call it, the North screw most of the time. So that's how it is. The weight of this one is only 2.41 grams with the blue heart. And then here where you can see the next blue heart with a gap in the center. It's a different sort of design. The weight is around 2.8 grams. And here you can see the butterfly with the center being a stone. You can see it shine a little, and even the antenna having two stones. This has a light peach kind of mina. The weight of this is 2.52 grams. These are all lovely earrings. This one is a bit big in size, which can also be worn by teenagers or adults. And here you come on to one more baby tops, which is butterfly with the center as CZ stones. The weight of this one is only 2.37 grams. Guys, in this video we are showing you so many designs. Please do share it with someone whom you think will like it. And if you are seeing this and you like our collection, please like and subscribe on our channel to view more such collection. And this is the era where the shopping is going to happen from so many jewelers, because it is the shopping and festive season. But to come and view the best collection, you need to guide them to the correct store, which is Panna Jewelers exclusive at MG Road. We have only one store which is located, but we do ship all over India for this. Let's check this design out again. This is a simple ring with a heart in the middle with mina work on it. The weight of this is 2.95 grams. And there is another simple design with a CZ stone on top. The weight of this is 1.35 grams only. And now I'm going to showcase to you some cute mina work designs. Do see them very intricately. This is a bear with golden ears and white mina work and a black nose, so it's like a panda bear. The weight of this is around 1.4 grams in net weight. And this one is my favorite of this lot. It is cute little penguins. As you can see, the hands and the feet are like happy feet. If you watch that movie, it's one of the amazing movies which you can make your kids watch. The movie's name is Happy Feet, and the penguin looks like this in that. The weight of this is 1.25 grams. And this one is a simple ring with 3 stones around it. As you can see, the weight of this is 1.06 grams. And now here there is a star kind of design with a stone, CZ stone on the side. This weight is exactly 1 gram. And this is for all you aviation lovers or who love to travel. This is 2 small aeroplanes, the weight of which is 1.2 grams. You can take a particular screenshot, share it to someone who loves their passion and something. Why we have got such a variety of things is, people are very passionate about particular things. So where you can get your passion in the form of jewelry, which is why we are doing this. And now this is rocket. So people who like space and Kids love this kind of stuff. So this one is only 1.45 grams. This is a rocket, and as you can see, it's three-dimensional. Here it comes out from here and over here, and the rocket is very well made. And this is the end of tray 1, and there is one more tray where we have many more designs which we are going to show to you. So see, this is a simple stud kind of tops with a stone on the center. This is 1.18 grams, and you guys should know there is no minimum order size. We do ship from 1 gram onwards to every weight across India. So don't be worried, you can order with our team. The number is right there mentioned below. The next design is completely in gold, no mina, nothing, it's a butterfly. The weight of this is only 1.2 grams. And coming to the next design, it's a star with the CZ stone in the center. Even the weight of this one is only 1.2 grams. Then let's go to this flower kind of designs with 4 CZ stones, which is placed 1.13. Why do we use CZ stones or mina work? We believe that whenever there is jewelry that is being made, it has to have some kind of beauty, shine, luster or art towards it. And stone that shines and mina work that shows artwork, that is very important to jewelry with us. The weight of this small cute rings is only 1.25 grams, and I'm just telling the net weight, so just be aware of it. Then you can see this flower where alternate petals are CZ, alternate petals are yellow gold. The weight of this is only 2.06 grams, and as you can see, we'll have a lot of butterfly designs with us and a lot of heart designs, because normally girls like to wear these sort of designs. This is another gold jali butterfly with CZ in the center. The weight of this is around 2.43 grams, and this is a simple CZ stone earrings whose weight is around 2.5 grams exactly. Now this is a heart where half of the heart is in yellow gold, half of the heart is in white gold, and the weight of this is 2.16 grams. And let me tell you another thing, almost all of these designs are made in 22 karat gold from the start what I'm showing to you. So it rarely happens that so many designs can be made in such less weight, in this lightweight, in all in 916 hallmarked. So normally when you are seeing earrings like this or nazaria, like anything, how they won't be in 22 karat hallmark, they are normally in 18 karat, but here every item, every single piece is 22 karat hallmarked. This you can see, it is a wheel with 4 mina work with a CZ on the center. The weight of this is 2.9 grams, and here is a small cross symbol in blue mina work. Weight is only 1.38 grams, and this one is similar to the design we saw in the starting also. It is a bird with a heart with 1.86 grams only. So how did you guys find watching the collection in this video? I'm so happy and I was so excited to share this collection. To make this collection, it took us almost 60 days. For 2 months, we have been refining and making this collection. If you like this collection, please do like this video and share this video with someone else who like this collection too, and share our page. Whenever we get new collection, we are going to share it to you one by one where the design is clearly seen with the weights. And if you're interested, you can DM with us. We have free shipping all over India. And if you want to view more of our such videos, please do try to support us by subscribing to our videos and liking and commenting in what you like. And if you have any suggestion for us to go live for with a particular collection, let it be kadas, bangles, necklaces, chandbalis, or any particular bridal sets, please do contact us. And you can also video call us to see each item separately and where we are shipping it. If the item is available and ready at the store, we will be able to answer and show it to you. If not, most of our items are listed on the website. Just visit www.pannajewellers.com where you can see all our collection with pricing. And we are one of the only jewelers who give you complete breakup and also give you the transparent pricing, everything on the website. You don't need to call and negotiate with us. Everything is transparent and you can see our complete pricing there. And there is thousands of people who are buying from us from everywhere. So this is an opportunity for you to buy from us too. If you like our designs, please do like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.